in the mainstream scientific literature dealing with higher dimensions. We are familiar with length, width, and height, 3 dimensions. 3 dimensions of space, 1 dimension of time. In relativity, it's called space-time as a contraction. However, this rather arcane subculture of scientists, mathematicians, topologists, have been dealing routinely with 4 dimensions spatially, 5, 6, 7, all the way up now to, I believe, 26 individual dimensions. And the mathematics to describe them are literally unreadable, so I'm not even going to begin to try to get into it. The bottom line, however, was that as I read these papers, it became very apparent that in these mathematical treatises there were descriptions of events that would be occurring in 3 dimensions if you were modeling things going on in 4 dimensions or higher and seeing projections, shadows, back into our familiar 3 dimensions. Now, all of these papers dealt with this as theory, as simply, intellectual gamesmanship, mathematical doodling, back of the envelope things. But we're not supposed to really take the idea of other dimensions seriously, right? Well, one of the things that these papers predicted was that if you were to look at the right kind of sphere rotating in the right way in 3 dimensions, what you're really looking at is more of the sphere in higher dimensions projected back into 3 dimensions, and that would produce vorticular roiling motion in the mathematical equation, in the spatial transform, and those roiling vorticular motions would be focused at